Yeah, hello guys. So in this video series, our focus will there be on React development, and this video is not to discuss about basics of React and everything. I'm just going to show you in this video that what kind of projects we will be working on and what kind of projects we will be making using React. So again, as you can see here, this is a very minor project. So we will start first we will be discussing the basics of React, and then we will be moving forward one by one by creating first minor projects, then some advanced level projects. So this video is just to show you what kind of projects we will be working on. So one there in this video I am going to show you two projects. This one is minor one, and then I will show you the advanced level project. So here, as you can see, this is a React project. It is a complete React. Just for designing purpose I have used CSS. So I will be discussing about reusable components and everything in this project. Again, we will be what we will be doing, we will be basically discussing the theoretical concept first by writing some code, then we will be moving forward to create some projects. So first I will be discussing about basics, then we will be moving to create this project. So this is a very minor project. Here we have created a component called card, and we are using that card component for two more times. So as you can see here, we can reuse components in React. So that is the features of React, and so we will be discussing everything in upcoming videos. I am just here to show you about the projects that we will be working on in this video. So this is first minor application, then we are moving forward to this next advanced level application. This is what basically it is a search engine, or you can say image search application, where we can search a particular images, whatever the term we are giving in search, like if I search for this term like cars, so you can see related images being displayed over the browser. So this is some advanced level project where we are connecting to API, but again, connecting to API and fetching data is a separate part. We are not using any backend Node.js or something, or any database. We are just connecting to a third party API, but still our focus will be on like how to use React to do all of that. So front end, we will be mainly focusing that how to create components, image component, card component, everything, and how to display images using React and everything. So this is some advanced level project. And again, if I change the term here, like I search for nature or something, so again I will be getting the similar images. So this is our some advanced level projects, and these are in this video I'm showing you only these two projects. But again, we will be in this whole video React video series, our focus will be on developing at least three minor projects and two major projects. So our next major project will be similar kind of application, where instead of searching images I will be searching for videos. So again, we will be connecting to YouTube API, and we will be getting back the search result by connecting to that API, and we will be also able to play video on that browser itself. So we all be discussing in this series. So please join me in this complete React development series, and we will start from very basics. So you do not need to have an expertise in React or whatever. You just need to know some basics of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and then you can start away, join this video series, and from beginner level. And again, please do join this series, and let's move forward and learn some React concept in a easy way. So I hope you guys will join me on my channel, and you will subscribe for that playlist, and I will be uploading videos on daily basis. So let's meet there. Okay, so thank you, and goodbye.